Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is David. Today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing the month of October. I'm actually a bit delayed because basically what's happened is I forgot my planner at home for a couple of weeks. So actually, I was a little bit behind on the main A5 size planner. So what I'm here to do is just talk about the previous month of September and just go through that a little bit, and then just tell you what I was doing for those days that I have missed for the planner days. Well, this is what my planner in this Malden looks like. Um, I basically used this for the summer, but now since October's come and the weather started to change, I'm going to change my planner, and I'm also going to change it also for the month of Halloween. I just kind of had to refill these pages in that I missed out. So basically, that's what I had to do, and it wasn't a lot of pages. It was just filling in those weeks and just to make notes to make sure that I had done the work correctly. And it's just a kind of reference for the year. Um, it's actually been quite easy to do this month. It was actually quite busy. So it's been an interesting month. Basically because missed a week and a kind of a bit week and a half. I was actually using this as my planner, this Filofax Mini. I think it's a Filofax Mini Metropole, and I was using this instead. Just to cover those that week and a half that I had to do, and basically I just wrote notes in, and just to make sure that everything was written in for the week. I even typed some pages. So basically, this is what I did to make sure that I had done the work that I needed to do for the week and a half. I just took those notes and I just filled them in on the A5 planner that I have. But now I want to do the month of October, and I've got to fill in those days that I've missed as well, which is about a week. And I'm just going to start on that planner. As to this Filofax Mini, I think I'm just going to keep it as it is for the moment. I might at the end of the month decide to change the picture and the format of it on the inside, but otherwise this works really well, and I'm quite happy how it works as a notebook, or should I say, just a note taker. So I use this for just basically writing what I want to do, and basically I just fill it in for pages that are important. I'm still trying to figure out to make this in a decorative way, and so it's just a case of trial and error. I think by next year I will have a method for this that will work better, and then I will be using this a lot more. I'll be using also an A6, and this is I think an A7, and then the A5 that I'll be using. And so that's kind of what I'll be using for next year as well. But I will do a video on discussing what I'll be using for next year, maybe in December, and I will have a look at it then. I'm really excited for the month of October because I'm going to be using this Filofax Domino Luxe, which I think is in a teal. In the video here, it looks very blue, but actually it's a little bit more greener. So it's kind of a teal color, and I really wanted one of these. I got this last year in November. I got it on a sale, and basically I really wanted this planner because I really wanted this for Halloween, and it's something that I was looking very forward to. So I haven't really used this planner that much because I wanted to use it for Halloween. This is kind of what it looks like. I did use it a little bit last year in the winter, and this is how it looks. But basically, I've just filled this in with empty notes, and I'm going to be taking these out, and I'm going to be using this for the month of October and for Halloween. So I'm really excited about this, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do to fill in the notes for this planner. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting these elastic bands on. I use these as a kind of form of protection. Also, it's a kind of a thing where I can put notes in and papers on the inside, and I don't have to bulk it up too much. Also, what I do is I also put safety pins on, and that's where I put pens as well. So this can act as a pen holder as well if you want. But actually, this is kind of just a mild protector that works. It kind of just helps when it lies flat. It doesn't scratch on anything. And I find it does make the planners last a little bit longer, and it makes it a little bit easier to pack as well. What I do find is that I have to make these elastic bands myself because they don't actually sell them in shops. So therefore, I've got to kind of just sew them myself. I basically sew them down, and I just measure them and just make them all the same. I make a lot of these. I find they're quite useful, and it's worthwhile to make these elastic bands for your planner. So overall, uh, this is what I do for most of my planners. I'm also making covers for planners now. I don't do the covers for commercial purposes. I do the covers because I look at the brand Hobonichi, and they do covers for their planners. And I thought, well, why can't I do a cover for my A5? I will be doing a video for one of them covers maybe next month, and I'll just show you what that's all about. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a dashboard for this Halloween planner, and these are the two dashboards that I was thinking of using. Um, they're really quite interesting. Some of it I got out of just posters and stuff, just little sections. This one I downloaded uh, from the internet, and it looks really great for Halloween. But I don't think I'm going to use it. This one, I thought maybe I'd use this one rather, because the reason being is this comes from a book cover, so it's only a segment of it. And I thought, well, you know what, this looks really interesting, and it's something I really would like to put on top for the Halloween. It's a very interesting page. It looks a little bit fun, and but also Halloween at the same time. But it's not like in your face, and it's kind of moderate. So I think maybe I'm going to use this one for my front cover. What I've done here is I photocopied some pages. This is a page I've done before that I photocopied. Basically, this page was just, I just thought maybe this would be more Halloween. I did this page last year, and I thought, no, I'll just repeat this page. I did a cleaning page, and I thought, no, let me just recopy this because this would look good for the month of October. On the other side, it's blank, and I think I'm going to use that. I might just use that. This is another page that I did, but I never used it. So it's also blank on the page, and I'm just going to use that for the monthly. So I haven't quite decided what page I'm going to do. Maybe I should do this page because it's just a little bit more interesting, and because I haven't used this before, and this might be a nice page that will look good for the month of October. So I'll just see what I'm going to do here and see how these pages are going to look. Um, this page is for the weeklies. On the other side is the weekly pages. That's what I've done, and I've done them for all these pages. So because what I was thinking is doing the weeklies and then just using these pages, and I was going to use a white pen and use a typewriter, and these pages can just be extra pages that maybe I can use for post-its, and maybe just glue things on it and put little tasks on it. This page I've done before, but I've just left it as it is because it's just kind of little quotes, and I thought that would be nice to actually put on the page. Um, I just think that these colors would work really well. I wasn't too sure that I was going to do a lot of Halloween stuff, so I've just got a little bit of Halloween stuff, but I thought these pages would look great for the month of October. I've done this page before, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this page, but this would also look good for the month of October. Here's a very simple page that I've got. Um, so this one is definitely going in, and that can be my weekly. And then I'm probably going to type on this, and then I'm going to write on this and use white pen and stick bits of quotes on it. So that's basically what this page is going to be. The only Halloween page I've got really is this page that I have. It's not a very complex one. This is Miss Havisham from Great Expectations, and I just thought this would make a lovely page for Halloween. And it's just basically will be for the last week of October that I'm going to use this page, and that's just my weekly for that month. So I will be using this page. This will be the center page, and this will be the weekly, and that will be the weekly. So that's basically going to that's how it's going to work, and I think this will be my fun page. I might just add another page in to this. I'll just have to wait and see what I want to do, but I'll wait in about a week until the last week, I should say, of October to do another page. So let me get these pages done, and then I'll show you how they're going to look in the planner. Well, basically, I've done the pages, and this is what it kind of looks at. I've got 2 pages here that I'm going to be using, and this is going to be my monthly page, and this is where it's going to go into the weeklies. So this is my weekly pages, and this is what I've basically been doing. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just use these as kind of notes, just put extra notes on, and then I'm basically going to just do quotes and little things that I can put on here just extra, and this will basically be my weekly, and I'll put quotes on here, but I could also put projects on here and just see where it goes. So as you can see, here's my weeklies, and any pages that are extra I will just use for the next month. So this is how this has come out. I kind of like how these 2 pages have ended on here, so I'm really interested to see what I'm going to be able to do with these pages and just go through it. So I'm going to just fill that out, and then I'm going to show you the completed pages. And I really love how this page is working on the top. It looks really great, and it really fits in for October. Here is the final planner, what I've done. This is my dashboard. I've finished the dashboard. I put a page on the back of it, and what I've also done is I've done my monthly, and I've already fitted it in. I've done the dates. I use a vintage typewriter, so it's really quite nice to use that, and it makes the pages look much better. And here's my weekly. I'm just going to take the notes that I've done from the mini planner that I have, and I'm just going to fill it in for the weeks that are missing that I have on this planet. So as you can see, this is a little bit of a Halloween section that I've done. It's actually very mild for the month of October. It's actually, I haven't got anything really direct. I've just used a font that's a little bit more for Halloween, and I've just used some darkened pages, which I'm going to probably use a white pen on, and then just work it out there. The only thing that I've put in here from the other planner is the projects. That is something that I constantly look at anyway, so I will be doing the projects page section all on its own. So basically that's the end of the video. I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and I will be doing the next project soon. So I will see you then on the next video. So I will wish you all the best and see you then.